Okay guys, so what we're going to be looking at is these Gaz Shocks from Gazmatic International. So let's have a look. I'm excited to look at this because we need them, and I like looking at new things. So let's have a look. Oh, that bit of tape looks like that's not the bottom of the box. Let's flip it. Oh no, it is. Let's cut these. I'm gonna have to get some scissors. Okay. Strap under the tape. There we go. So there we go for that. Cut this. Cut this. This. And this. All right, let's do one at a time. Should be two in each, I guess. Nicely wrapped. Now, look at that. Beauty. So these are fully adjustable, fully serviceable Gaz Shocks, so we can adjust the ride height of the car and the dampening of the car. So when I ordered these, I sent them the specs, but then they actually emailed me and said, what's the car going to be used for? So what I've had them do is set it up so that it's as close to factory spec as possible out of the box, and the ride stiffness is very similar to the Bilstein stock shocks that were rusty and corroded and came off the car. So what that means is it'll be good for road use and also for some light track use, occasional track use. I mean, you can set these up just for track use if you want, or a bit better for road, but they're kind of set in between at the moment. So we've got, let's get them all out and have a look. Okay, what have we got? We've got the front and rear shocks, got spanners for changing the height. We've got force and displacement charts for the shocks when they were set up, and some instructions on how to fit them. I mean, that's pretty straightforward anyway, but that's good that we've got those. I mean, these look great. These look a hell of a lot better than these that have come off the car, so I can't wait to put these on. One thing I will say about Gaz is they've been very helpful. They did come straight back to me when I'd made the order with expected time for delivery and asking what exactly what we're going to use them for, checking the car, checking the reg and the VIN number and everything to make sure they were the right ones. They replied back to emails really quick, so they're a good company to deal with. Yeah, these are Gaz Gold Pro shocks, so they're aluminium bodies, so they're nice and light and good for road and track use. They do various different levels of shock, so they do the steel bodied ones, but obviously you start off cheap and you work your way up, so these were the best.